Job costing with BILLMASTER. First begin by going to Company/Setup and then General Setup. Make sure you have the checkbox that says Enable Job Costing checked off. Next, go into Job Descriptions. Just create modified job descriptions and set the cost column for the task that you want to track job costing for. In this example, I have cut edge trim set for 30 minutes or 0.5. So you must enter it in increments of decimal increments for 0.5 for a half hour, 1 for a full hour, etc. 0.25 for 15 minutes. To see the cost column, click on the grid configuration and uncheck the box that says cost. That will expose the cost column. And then just save that. When you want to override the job description cost for any particular service on an account, simply go into that account, go to the standard charges screen. You'll see on the right hand side where it says estimated hours. Then you can override the value there for the job costing. So you can just put it here. You could put it 0.75, for example, if you wanted to put it at that value. Then, when you're ready to enter in your job costing, it'll simply come after the fact that when you've entered in cost for items. If I select some people here and then say apply charges to the account, I'll put in the weekly maintenance, and then I would enter in my charges as I normally would. When I exit, it'll ask me, do you want to enter in job costing records now? I'll say yes. I can override the date if I choose to, and then all of the people that I have selected will appear on the screen with those descriptions already pre-filled for me. If there was a technician assigned to the account, that will also appear. Then I can just simply enter in the actual time that it took here. And then when I'm done, I just press save. When you press save, this will automatically be added to the full list of job costing records. If you want to see your job costing records, just go under the transaction payments tab. Then you'll see a drop down here. This one says add job costing records, which is what we just did, or hit job costing records, and this shows you all of the ones that we just did. It's automatically calculated the hours and difference for those as well. If you simply want to just add job costing records for people without putting charges in, you can simply select their names, then go to job costing and say add records, and then you'll have to select the name or the type of service here. So you have to take an extra step if you want to do it that way. You can also delete out from those records as well. When you're ready to do your report, simply do select all, reports, and then go under other where it says job costing report. Put the time period that you want to do and press OK. Press OK again, and then that will come up with a report showing you for each code how much time was spent and whether you were above or below the average for those people. Likewise, you can put in a rate for your technicians. In this example, I have Joe at $10 per hour. I have the estimated hours, the actual hours, and if it's negative, that we went over budget here. Same thing goes here. So you can see how you actually did in terms of the actual hours. Oh, actually, this estimated. Yeah, we're over budget on this one. So that's the reporting side of it, so that you can get a report and then how you enter it in. And again, if you go under company setup, under technicians, this is where you can enter in the technicians, putting it into the menu name and then their hourly rate. Thank you for using BILLMASTER.